Greetings, seekers of legends. I am the Skald, keeper of words, traveler of centuries. Today, when the moon has climbed above the ancient oaks, I will reveal to you a story about a god whose beauty and purity were known throughout the universe. About Baldur, whose name meant light. But behind this light was darkness. In the high realm of Asgard, where golden bridges stretched across the sky, and the wind carried songs of ancient days, there lived a god unlike any other, Baldur, the Bright One. From the moment he was born, the halls of the gods grew warmer. His laughter sounded like sunlight dancing on water. And wherever he stepped, shadows softened and faded away. Even the fiercest warriors lowered their voices near him. For Baldur brought peace simply by being. The gods gathered often in the great hall, speaking of battles and glory. But when Baldur entered, the talk would change. They spoke of hope, of tomorrow. Yet even the brightest light casts the faintest shadow. One night, Baldur awoke in silence. His heart was heavy, though no wound touched him. Again and again, night after night, the same dream returned. He saw the sky dimming. He felt the ground slip away beneath him. He heard no voices calling his name, only stillness. Baldur, who had never feared anything, now felt something new, a quiet, uncertain worry. At last he went to his mother, Frigg, wise and loving, who knew the language of wind and fate.
Mother, I dreamed of a world without light, a world without me.
Frigg listened, and though she did not show it, her heart trembled like a leaf in a storm. For she knew dreams in Asgard were never just dreams.
I will not let harm come to you, not while I draw breath.
And so began her great journey. Frigg traveled beyond the shining gates of Asgard, across forests older than memory, over mountains crowned with snow, and into the deep places where even the roots of the world tree whispered. She spoke to fire.
Will you harm my son? Never.
She spoke to water.
Will you harm my son?
Never.
She spoke to iron, to stone, to beasts of claw and wing, to sickness, to poison, to every force that moved or rested. And all swore the same oath.
We will not harm Baldur.
When Frigg returned, she carried peace with her. The gods rejoiced, for Baldur was now safe from all things. And so, in their joy, they created a game. In the fields of Asgard, under a sky of endless blue, the gods gathered. One by one they threw things at Baldur. Stones, spears, branches, even heavy hammers.
Stop this madness!
Each time the object would strike him and fall harmlessly away. Laughter filled the air. Even Baldur laughed, his eyes shining like morning. It seemed nothing in all the worlds could touch him. But far away, in the quiet corners where laughter did not reach, someone watched. Loki, the clever one, the restless one, the one who smiled when others did not understand why. Loki saw the joy, and something inside him stirred. Not quite anger, not quite sadness, but something sharper, curiosity, and a desire to test what should not be tested. He went to Frigg disguised as a kindly old wanderer.
Tell me, how is it that Baldur cannot be harmed?
All things have sworn to protect him. All, except one small plant, Mistletoe. It seemed too young, too harmless to matter.
A very small thing, he thought, can still change a very big story. He walked into the forest, where the mistletoe grew, thin, pale, almost invisible among the branches. From it, he crafted a slender dart, light, silent, unassuming. Then he returned to the field, where the gods still played. There, standing apart from the others, was Hoder, Baldur's brother. Hoder could not see the light of the world, but he could feel it, and he loved Baldur deeply.
Why do you not join the game? I cannot see where to throw. I will guide your hand. Throw.
The light flickered, then dimmed, then was gone. Baldur fell, not with a cry, but with a silence so deep it seemed to echo through all the worlds. The gods stood frozen. No one spoke. Even Loki did not smile. Frigg's sorrow spread like winter across the land. The rivers slowed. The sky grew pale. The world itself seemed to grieve. But love does not end with loss. The gods refused to accept the silence. They sent messengers across all realms, asking every being to weep for Baldur, for only then could he return. And so the world wept. Mountains shed tears of stone. Trees dropped leaves like quiet sorrow. Even the seas whispered grief. Almost everything mourned. Almost. For one voice refused, and because of that, Baldur could not yet return. Yet the story does not end in darkness. For it is said that after the end of all things, when the world is renewed and green again, Baldur will walk once more among. Even a Drakkar needs a crew, and our channel needs your sub. Join our ranks now, or may the trolls take your internet. Stay firm as a rock, and may your green drink always taste worse than your conscience. Until the next saga. Dýrð sé guðunum,